Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Blue in the Friday Night Funkin style. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the head with a circle near the top. Next, let's add the eyes. On the right side, let's draw a curve down, and then a curve on the right, overlapping the face line. Now on the left side, let's draw a line out from the top and the bottom, and then a curve down to connect the lines. Next, let's erase the headline overlapping inside. And lastly, for this eye, let's add an X inside. Now let's hop inside on the left and let's draw the other eye with the circle here. And now let's add another circle inside toward the bottom left. And then color the circle in black. Next, let's add the mouth underneath. Let's start on the left side by the eye, and let's draw a curve down and over to the right under the other eye. And then a large U shape underneath to close off the mouth. Next, on the bottom right of the mouth, let's add the drool. Let's start with a curve down, bring it down underneath, curve it up to the mouth like this. And then add two curves at the top. Next, let's erase the lines inside. Next, let's add the crown on the top left of the head. Let's start with a curve for the bottom. Then from the ends, let's draw angled lines up. Then let's bring it in on both sides at the top, and then a V shape to close it off. Next, from the top point, let's draw a small angle, and then let's angle it down following that same line. And let's do the same thing from the right point. And lastly, let's erase that headline inside the crown. And that's it for the head. Let's move down and draw the body next. Let's start by drawing the shape of the body. Let's start under the head and let's draw a curve down to the left like this. Now from the bottom, let's continue this line straight down, stopping here. Now let's hop over to the left side of the head and draw the other side of the body. Let's draw a long curve down, stopping around the same level. Now from the bottom, let's curve it around and over to the right for the foot. And now let's bring that line up and then curve it over to the right. And then finish off the left leg in the same way. And that's it for the basic shape of the body. Let's add the arms next. Inside the body on the top left, let's draw an angle down like this. And now let's angle it out to the right. Now let's do the same thing underneath. And now let's close off the end with a curve. Now let's erase that body line inside. Now let's hop to the right and draw the other arm. Let's start under the head by the drool and let's draw an angle down. And then let's angle it back up to the right. And now let's do the same thing underneath. And again, let's close off the end with a curve. And that's it for blue. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!